Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to integrate the Stripe. Okay, so in order to integrate Stripe with your Bookmify, click on this Stripe enable mode. Okay, just enable this, and if this test mode is enabled, then just disable this, because if this is enabled, that means you won't be able to accept the payment, and even if anyone tries to make payment for you all on your website, they won't be able to make it. And then you have to do one thing. You just have to go to the Stripe. This is the Stripe website. Okay, so this is the Stripe website. You just have to come over here and sign up. Then you just have to sign in, and once you sign in, just come down below, click on this developer option, and after that click on this API key. This is the publishable key. Okay, so just click on it, and once you click on this publishable key, it will get copied to the clipboard. Come over here, paste that publishable key over here, and now we are in need of the secret key. So click on this new secret key and give whatever name that you want to give, and click on create. And this is the secret key. Just come over here and paste it and click on save. Okay, so this is how you have to integrate Stripe with your Bookmify.